Okay, when you go to Google and you type in Elementor how to, third one down is save a page as a template. This is my Google autofill series. I'm on the third video, so we're going to save a page, save a section, save a column, which isn't possible actually, and save a widget. So let's go to Elementor. Here we have our page open to edit. First thing we're going to do is save a page as a template. Right by the save button, there's this arrow, save as a template. Bam, page. Once you save it to your library to access it, to insert it into a new page, you would open up a new page, hit the plus, hit the folder there, and bam, insert. Okay. Next is saving a section. The sections are these blue boxes with the tabs. To save an entire section, right-click it, save as a template. Okay, good. Save. When you get to your next page and you want to insert it, you hit the plus, hit your little folder. There it is right there. Insert. Bam. Yes, import. Okay, now I got two of them. Very nice. Okay, to save a column, you can't save a column, but you can save a section that contains your column, or you can save the section that has all of the columns that you need. So you would just do the same thing and save your section as such. To save a widget, saving a widget is technically a Elementor Pro option. See this widget right here? If I wanted to reproduce it throughout my site, I would right-click it. See right here, save as a global. That's grayed out right now because this is just my practice site. So if I look at the widgets up here, here are the elements, and this is where the global widgets would reside. So when you actually set it as a global widget, then you can drag that widget into your page, and then when you edit that widget, it will edit it throughout the entire site. So if you use that global widget 5 different times and then you edit it, it will be updated on all of the different pages. You can also decouple the widget from the global widget if you need to, so that only 4 of them update, and then the 5th one you decouple it. But you just need to keep track. If it's a global widget, it will update throughout. If you're using just the free version, you can save the section like usual, and then insert that section with the widget that you need over and over. The only downside is that if you use it 5 times and you had to make a change, you are then going to have to change it 5 different times because it's not a global widget. But nonetheless, it still duplicates the widgets within the section. So your site isn't that huge, you can get by with just the free on that instance, but you just have to keep track of all the updates. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and check out the ultimate resource list in the video description. There's a link there for Elementor Pro if you want to do the global widget thing. And thanks for watching.